Introducing new Metro HotBlox Xpress, a compact countertop hot food holding solution that's quick to pick and quick to serve. HotBlox Xpress cabinets improve quality and productivity by putting hot food at your fingertips. Pick, assemble, and serve food with ease. Its shallow depth design fits on or above counters, freeing up valuable workspace for order assembly. When demand is high, quick flip doors make picking fast and effortless. Flexible configurations allow you to hold everything from full-size pans to individually wrapped items, all in one efficient unit. Plus, interior LED lighting and the ability to slant the shelves highlights food for faster, easier order picking and better presentation. Need to keep your food crispy or moist? Just switch on the unique powered venting system to remove moist air for crispy holding, then switch it off to keep humidity in for moist holding. Choose simple control or touchscreen with advanced features like real-time humidity display, built-in timers, and menu presets for efficient, repeatable, and reliable holding. For fast access, consistent holding, and maximum efficiency, let Metro HotBlox Xpress be your go-to solution.